AOIPuncher QTI vs QTY per pair. Here there is two piece of the our for cutting, and here we can see the quantity per pair is 4, and here the quantity per pair is 2. So they are different. One is 2, this one is 4 here. So when in the command today I want to make, for example, 600 pair. Then so here it's input pairs. I input 400 pair, 600 pair. Then I click OK. You see here we need the pieces, the manufactured product pieces is 1,200 pieces. Here is 2,400 pieces. It's different. Let's see. Here it's 4. Here it's 102,000, and here it's 204,000. And now I change. Maybe this time I want to change become only 100 pairs. So when I click OK, you see here it's changed to be 200 and 400. Here let's see the pieces. Here it's 200 and this piece is 400. That is this function for the quantity, not for the cutting layer. Of course, I can change it by handy. For example, I change it become 100, and now it will become 100. But we won't change. It doesn't matter if there are how many pieces in a pair.